Morning. Welcome all. This is Jagadish Chandran sharing the pre-market analysis. Nifty range bound activity seen. Open interest data suggests that Nifty resistance placed around 19,520 to 19,610. Supports placed at 19,300 to 19,240. Bank Nifty 2 consolidation continues and range bound activity seen. The major supports placed around 44,700 to 44,500. The resistance seen around 45,000 to 45,200. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment. Not yet subscribed our channel Wealth Wizards? Do subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you. Take care. Happy investing.